No need to spend hours over the barbecue for a great meal. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of the quickest cooks you'll ever do over charcoal. Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to show you one of my favorite tandoori prawn recipes. I've got all my prawns here, left the heads on and the tails, but I've taken the shells off the body. And each of them I've cut down the center like this and then pulled out. There's a little intestine there. You want to make sure you get that out of there. So I've done that with all of them, ready to go. So we've got a marinade here. First marinade and a second marinade. Here's some turmeric, garlic, and ginger paste. And if I was a little bit more, and we're just going to add a little bit of salt to that as well, and a tiny bit. You could use oil if you have it, but I'm just going to add a little bit of ghee there. And we're just going to mix that all together. And go the prawns. These are just going to soak up that first marinade there. So we're just going to get them all coated in it. There we go. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of white pepper to this as well, just about a teaspoon of white pepper. Keep mixing it in. And now we're going to make the second marinade. And the second marinade consists of cream cheese, a good tablespoon, a little bit more maybe, a tablespoon of cream cheese. And I just want to break this up with my hand. I don't want any lumps in it at all. I just want it to be really nice and creamy. And to that I'm going to add some cream. Tablespoons of single cream, and also, if I can get it out here, some yogurt. We'll just mix that all together like that. It'll be nice and smooth. These only need to marinate for about 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes at the most. So once you've made the marinade, your charcoal's ready, you can put them on and start cooking. They only take a couple minutes to cook, so this is a really nice thing to cook on a weekday or just after work sometime. You can just put this all together quite easily. Now this is the spice blend. This is a kind of a secret spice blend. You don't see it at many curry houses because it takes a little bit while to make. I do have a short on how to make this. Quite simple but time consuming. That is cardamom and mace powder. So I'm going to add that to this second marinade. And I'm also going to top it, the finished dish, with this as well, because it works kind of like a garam masala. Gives it a nice floral aroma. It's a bit of a kick from the cardamom, and then just like a mild nutty flavor as well from the mace. There we are. And to that I'm going to add just a tiny bit, about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic powder. Finely ground garlic powder. And I like a little bit of chili in mine. So I got some blended chilies there, some green chilies. And we're just going to mix that all together as well. Now let's get these prawns in there. They've soaked in the first marinade. In fact, I'm going to put some lemon juice on this as well. Since I'm cooking them right now, you wouldn't want to leave lemon juice on these very long. If you're putting it in the fridge for like 4 hours, it'll start cooking the fish. But as I'm about ready to start cooking this, I'm going to put some lemon juice on there as well. Okay, so I got some lemons here. I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon juice in there, give it a nice tang. And again, mix it all in. Okay, got the charcoal in there. Spread it out some, and we'll let that kind of cool down, calm down a little bit while I am skewering the prawns up. Okay then, so to skewer these up, we're going to go right at the base of the head there, and then right above the tail. Skewering right like that. Now if you're using prawns that don't have a head or don't have a tail, that's fine. Just kind of put them in a kind of a C shape there like that. And skewer it on just like that. That way you can flip it over and they're going to get nicely, evenly cooked. Make sure you're getting it to the meatiest part of the prawns you can. I usually start at the head because that's the biggest piece of meat. Make sure you go right through the center like that. Gonna skewer these all up and then we're gonna give them a cook. Right, they're all skewered up. So let's just put these on here, just like that. Prawns only take a couple minutes to cook, so don't take your time on this one. You want to get it done very, very quickly. And I just kind of waited until the charcoal was, cooking, about the cooking height. It's about 2 inches above. It really burns your hand, and that means it's okay. So when you hold your hand 2 inches above cooking height and it's hot, your coals are ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and move those around like that. Look at that. These are going to be melt in the mouth tender. It's only taken a couple minutes. I put them over a really nice high heat. They cook through very quickly. I can put some of this cardamom and mace powder over the top just to make them that little bit nicer. Maybe a bit of salt. Give this one a try. If there's one recipe, one of my recipes that you try, make it be this one. Oh my God. Tender, juicy, the cardamom and mace powder. That's just not, there's prawns, and then there's this. From my book, The Curry Guy Bible. Don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.